finding out what baking powder has to do with cake. And what we'll need is eggs, butter, measuring cups, teaspoons, and food coloring.
We need measuring cups, a mixer, water, and a bowl.
2 cake mixes, vegetable oil, and baking powder.
So, the original project was one had baking powder and one didn't have baking powder, but unfortunately, they accidentally put butter in one of them and oil in one of them, so they didn't have the same ingredients, and the baking powder was put in both of them. So we're changing it to, is there any difference between putting butter in it and oil in it? And we're going to cut up the cake, pass it around to some of the class, and see what they think.